everything happens for a reason in life. If they don't fire you from your previous job, now you don't have a good job you have, or your husband didn't divorce you, because some of the women, we are being relaxed in marriages. You know that women, we are relaxed, you are not educated, you say this is my last hope because your husband says he can do everything for you. But your husband changes. You know that men, they can change his promises, and you saw your husband, now he is ignoring you or divorces you and say, I don't want you anymore. God wants you to change your life. So if your husband didn't divorce you, you don't have a degree you have, because after being divorced with your husband, you go back to school and you start study again, serious with school. So sometimes after some of the things happens in our lives, sometimes you thank God that those things happens, but at that time you are crying most of the time, you are asking God why those things happened to me. But now you are thanking God because your life changes. You know that it will give you energy to go to school again, to study. You understand? It will give the energy, because most of the women, we are being relaxed, guys, in our marriages. We are not educated, you don't have a job, you wake up maybe at 9 a.m. in the morning every day. You are sleeping, understand, because your husband is working for you, but you don't know what's going to be happen, understand.